up, guys? It's Semi aka Junior here, bringing you another great video to the channel. If this is your first time here, guys, I'm gonna suggest, and I do mean highly suggest, we go ahead and click on the like button, hit that subscribe button, and enable bell notifications so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one, whenever we go live. Because trust me, guys, you never ever want to miss out anything we do on this channel. Alright, guys, so today I'm going to be bringing you a nice new thing to the channel. As you guys know, I work a lot on computers. I got my rig back here, and I also do car stuff. And on both subjects, I do product review, tech review on both of them. But today I have a product tech review on a new radio from my Toyota Tacoma. You guys know I own a pickup truck plus my S2000. The good people at FBINSE sent me a great radio replacement. Because if you guys know, I have like a 13-inch screen on there right now. It looks more like a Tesla screen, like it's away from the bezel itself, and it sticks out. It's a pretty big screen. I've been wanting to get something back to smaller size that fit inside the bezel. So FBINSE actually hit me up and told me I got the perfect product for you. I'm like, what is it? The product is inside this box right here. So brown box, as we just all see. But the thing about this is a smart, like a smart radio, but built into the bezel. So this comes with already a pre-installed bezel on here. So you don't have to worry about trying to make it fit perfect in the bezel and everything. This already has the bezel around it. All you gotta do is hook up to your hazard lights button. You gotta put that on and put the bezel on and connect your wire harness, and you're all set. That's awesome with this device. So it comes in a brown box like this. I don't know how they have any other package, but that's how they sent it to me. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take a look at it. Open it up, show you what's inside. So when you first open it up like this. It's like a reveal right here, like a Christmas gift. It's the side like here. Oh. And it comes up like this, guys, and this is the top cover, and boom, comes up just like this, so you guys can see what I'm talking about right here. All right, so as you see, the radio is right here. It has a manual right here, guys, for you guys to use if you need it, or the wiring kit is here. So the wire harness for the radio itself that connects directly to I want to say, if I'm correct, they provide you with already a wire harness in here. I could be wrong, but I'll check it out. Here's the whole wire harness. I don't know if it's the one from my car or anything like that, but it looks like it because these are the plugs. It looks like it, so I could be right. You have all these other plugs right here. This is for the radio itself, so you can plug in your backup camera and everything. It has a backup camera in here as well. And it has the GPS sensor there. And some kind of other wires harness there. And this is the radio itself here, guys. And inside here, you have more wires. More stuff here. And they provide you some special tools, some panel popper tool wedge kit, and a Phillips head screwdriver. They provide you everything, seriously. And that's it for inside this box. But like I said, this is the screen right here, guys. Awesome. I'm gonna open it up, take it out so you guys can see. So this already comes with everything pre-built in, so I don't have to adjust anything to the panel, anything. As you see, that's the screen right there. Look how nice that is. This is the bezel itself. Like I said earlier, the only thing you have to do is your hazard light button's gonna go right here, and it has a panel here for the airbags. The button goes right here. You just put the device here, hook it up, and boom, that's it, you're done. And then all you gotta do is hook up everything in the back, which I think they did provide me the wire harness. Guys, I think they gave you everything you needed. Oh, I can hook it up right now. So, as you see, the thing is very sleek design and very nice. Guys, look how nice that is. I know you can't really tell with the light, but look how nice, look how big it is. It's a big screen. And it's all perfectly fitment and everything. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go to my car, my pickup truck. I'm gonna take everything with me, and hopefully everything really does line up the way it is. And if that's the case, I can hook it up right now. I'm gonna show you how my screen looks now. and then I'm gonna show you how it looks after everything functioning. So let's go ahead to my car and have all this set up so we can take a look. All right, be right back. All right, guys, so this is the current radio I have. Like I showed you before, I think you've seen this video, that I've installed this radio here. And like I said, it's an oversized one, so you can see it's actually over the panel and everything. And this is the radio, the hazard lights and the clock and the airbag sensors thing here that I mentioned that you need to attach to the new radio. But this is what I'm talking about, what I currently have right now. As you see, it's not a bad radio, but I can never get this straight. And it's oversized, so it sticks out from the outside. Look, you can see right there, guys. You see there's a gap here and everything. But that's the only way to do it with this one, with this type of radio. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take all this apart, hook the new one up that I got from FBINSE, and then show you how it looks after. But I just wanted to show you real quick how it looks right now so you guys can see everything right here for you, and so you can see the difference. So this is what I currently have out, and let's switch it out to the new one. Be right back. All right, guys, so here it is. We installed it. It looks beautiful. Look at that. Like I said, the hazard light switch there, the clock here, the airbag sensors, the indicators are over here. This whole piece goes down here. The radio, look at the fitment on here. Beautiful. It's meant for this car. It looks like it came out of factory, I swear. Like, thank you guys for sending me this to review, because this is a plug and play. They provided you with the wire harness. You don't have to do no cutting, no soldering, no nothing, no rewiring, no nothing. All you do is plug and play, guys. They send you the harness, they send you the whole kit, everything you need, even to the screwdriver to take this off. They send that over to you guys. Guys, this is a real direct plug and play setup they send you guys. I'll leave a link down below so you can get it if you want it. They have it for different cars. This is the one from my Tacoma. Guys, it looks original, like it came from factory, guys. These guys are awesome. This wasn't that expensive at all. But look at this. This is the radio interface, guys. I can go back to the home page, and this will be the home page. We got the music section here. If you have saved music on here or a thumb drive, you can put it there. You got your video, you got all applications, you got your radio and your settings. It gives you the time here, your car there, I guess. And you could change the station from here. If you don't want to go into the radio section, you can just change it right here or look for it. Awesome, guys. Look at that. It's awesome. You got all your buttons here. You got your power button here, mute button as well. If you click on the power button one time, I don't know if you can see it right there. If you click on it and mute it, right now it's playing music. I have it muted through there just because of copyright reasons. You have your home button here. You got your back button here, your volume up and volume down. Guys, and the mic is set right here, so you don't have to have an external mic if you don't want one. This is awesome in my personal opinion. I'm gonna go back. This is the home page. Let's see what else I can do. If I go to videos, it's gonna pop up a video that's already saved on here, so you can see the quality on here. This is a video that's saved on the device itself, so this is not my video, but it's just so you can see how crystal clear that is. If you do find a video here, you install a video that you want to watch, music here, same thing. If you have any saved MP3 player music on here, boom, you can play it. It has one saved. It's playing it. I'm not gonna go through that anymore. All right, and I'm gonna mute it. So I'm gonna mute it right now. You can hear it. See, I muted right there, but I want to go back up, put it back up, put it down. I can do it from here as well. See? It's awesome, guys. Mute it. Boom. How great is this? All right, guys. So let me go and finish this up back in my room and get my final thoughts on this radio and this installation process. All right, guys. We're back in my room, so we're gonna go ahead and get my final thoughts on this. Do I think this is a great radio? Absolutely. This company gives you everything you need to install this. You do not need to know really anything, how to wire a radio, anything. Everything's a plug and play. Like when I first took the plug out and I showed you the whole harness, I'm like, is this, because it looked like it's already and a wire harness already made for the vehicle and everything. So I'm like, is this already a pre-made wire harness? And yes, sure it was. I was impressed, guys. This is a direct plug and play setup. You don't need to do anything but remove panels, disconnect your old radio, plug your new radio in, direct play. You don't need to do any kind of wiring or nothing. Guys, the only thing you have to do is remove your clock and hazard light button off the device, off your original stock one, and put it on the new one. That's all you have to do, guys. And then if you want to run the backup camera, if you don't have a backup camera, I already have a built-in OEM style backup camera, so I didn't do that process. But all you have to do is run the wire for the backup camera, plug it up, and it's plug and play, guys. And there is nothing you need to really think on how to do this. This is so simple, guys. Anybody could do it. Even my 10-year-old niece could do this herself for me if I asked her to do it. It's that simple, guys. Really is. This company makes this process so easy. And you saw the functionality of the actual head unit. It runs beautiful. One thing, like I showed you how my old head unit was, and I showed you the new head unit, right? I showed you the difference and everything. I showed you how the whole head unit looked like. Now, when I was playing with it, when I was showing you everything, and before I even filmed it, I was testing, like touching buttons and everything. The sensitivity on there is beautiful, guys. That thing lights up beautifully and functions wonderful. It functions so perfect. The sensitivity is really good on there. Like there's no issues with it or nothing, guys. It just, sensitivity is, you touch it, it acts right away. There's no waiting or nothing on it, which I think is an awesome thing, guys. But that's it for me, guys. That's all I had to tell you today on this. Show you I'm very happy with this. I recommend you guys getting it. Check if they have one for your vehicle, a direct plug and play setup, and I think you will not be disappointed. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, everything I had to show you today, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that share button, because sharing is caring, and we want to make sure that everybody's aware of everything we do on this channel, so they're not missing out, just like you're not missing out. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below, and I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. And if you still haven't done so, to the end of the video, guys, hit the subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one, whenever we go live. And that's it for today, guys. Until next time, I'm out of here. Peace.